With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students. Now we're going to see this question. The question says that a passenger on a large ship sailing in a quiet sea hangs a ball from the ceiling of her cabin by means of a long thread. When the ship acceleration, okay, what is the ship's acceleration when the pendulum stands at an angle of 5 degrees to the vertical? So basically we need to find the acceleration of the ship. So what is given in the question is that the pendulum is hanging from a ship. Okay, so let's suppose this is the pendulum, it is hanging. So let's suppose this is the time of the acceleration. Okay, so this is the bob, okay, and it is at an angle of what? It is an angle of 5 degree from the vertical. Okay, 5 degrees. So if we see over here what is happening, that the ship is sailing in forward direction. Let's suppose over here the ship is going in acceleration a. So what we'll see over here, that the bob is of mass m, let's suppose. So there will be quite a mg force downwards due to gravity, and there will be a pseudo force ma in backward direction. Okay, also there will be a tension force. Okay, the tension force will be on this side, okay, towards the string. So we will have the components of tension. So this will be what? T, this is T basically. So this will be T cos 5 degree, okay, and this will be T sine 5 degree. Okay, so if you see this, basically if this means, since this bob is in rest, so what we'll see, T cos 5 degree must be equal to mg. Also T sine 5 degree must be equal to ma. Okay, so now what we are going to do, that's quite understood, that we will divide these two equations. Okay, so what we'll have now, we will have 2 divided by 1. Okay, so 2 divided by 1, when we'll do, we will have what? We will have tan theta, because sine 5 degree by cos 5 degree is basically tan 5 degree. It will come out to be as a upon g. That means what? A acceleration will be equal to g into tan 5 degree. Okay, and we know that the value of g is what? The value of g is only 10. Okay, so we'll write down value of g is 10, and tan 5 degree is what? 0.0875 meter per second square. Okay, basically not meter per second, because basically this will be the acceleration. Okay, so acceleration will be equal to 0.875 meter per second square. Okay, so this is basically our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.